Hello, my friend. I'm glad you're here today. Take a deep breath and relax. This is your daily English speaking time. You know, English becomes easy when you use it every day. Not big words. Not difficult sentences. Just simple words that people really use. So today, let me walk you through simple English words used in daily life. Words you can use from morning to night. Listen carefully and imagine real situations while you listen. Now, think about your normal day. You wake up, and the first thing you say is, "Good morning." Maybe you think, "I feel sleepy," or "I feel fresh." These are everyday words. People use them without thinking. Let me explain something. In spoken English, people like short and clear sentences. For example, instead of long explanations, they say, "I'm ready," "I'm not sure," "I don't have time." Very simple. Very natural. Now, let's talk about common action words. One word you hear a lot is, do. People say, "What are you doing?" "I'll do it later." "I don't know what to do." Another word is, have. "I have work today." "I have an idea." "I don't have money right now." You see? One word. Many daily uses. You know, when we talk to friends or family, we keep it easy. We say, "What's going on?" "Nothing much." "Same as usual." "Everything is fine." These phrases help you sound relaxed and confident. Now imagine you are outside, maybe in a market or office. You might say, "Can you help me?" "Please wait a second." "Just a moment." "Thank you so much." Polite, simple, and very useful. Let me give you another example. Think about food and eating. We don't say fancy words. We say, "I'm hungry." "I'm full." "Let's eat." "The food is good." "I like it." This is real English. This is how people speak every day. Now let's talk about time. Time words are very common. People say, "I'm early." "I'm late." "Right now." "Later today." "See you tomorrow." Short words. Clear meaning. You know, when something goes wrong, people keep it simple. They say, "No problem." "It's okay." "That's fine." "Don't worry." These small lines make conversation smooth. Now let's move to the practice part. This is your speaking time. Please repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat after me. "I'm getting ready right now." "I don't have time today." "I'll do it later." "I'm feeling a bit tired." "Let's talk after work." "It's okay." "No problem." "See you tomorrow." Great job. Say them again if you need to. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Now, before we end, listen to this carefully. Good English is not fast English. Good English is clear English. When you use simple words, people understand you easily. And when people understand you, your confidence grows. Practice a little every day. Use these words in real life. Even one sentence a day is enough. Thank you for spending your time with me. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And remember, simple English is strong English. See you next time.